students, this is Vijay Kumar. Welcome back to SR Maths Tutorials. Today we discuss about a concept is very important for the 10th class. That concept name is trigonometry. This trigonometry actually depended on one right angle triangle. You know very well right angle triangle. What you say about right angle triangle? First of all, we discuss about a concept name is trigonometry. This chapter is completely dependent on one right angle triangle. One right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. How to say right angle triangle? One of the angle is in a triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree. That triangle is named right angle triangle. This right angle triangle, one of the angle is 90 degrees there. This triangle name is denoted here capital A, B, C. A concept of the triangle is very important. Sum of angles of three angles in a triangle always is right angle, two right angles are 180 degrees are supply. Come to the point once again. In a right angle triangle, capital A angle, capital B, capital C. These three angle sum is always not more than to 180 degrees, not less than to 180 degrees. These three angles always sum is 180 degree. That is a form of triangle. If in case three angles is more than to 180 or less than to 180, that concept is not triangle concept. Okay, are you understood here? Come to the point. In this capital ABC triangle is a special triangle, that is right angle triangle, because of one of the angle is 90 degrees. The remaining two angles are sum is 90 degrees. What you say about here? Angle A plus angle C is 90 degrees. How is it, sir? Come to the point. Already capital B vertex angle is 90 degrees. The remaining angles you write as it is. This sum. Actually this angle sum is equal to 180 degrees. You write as it is 180 degrees here also. This 90 is subtracting from 180. Why subtracting 90 from 180? Because of 90 is left side of the term is there. Whenever one term is from left to right or right to left, that sign will be changed. That 90 having the positive is there, addition is there. Now 90 is coming from left to right, that angle subtracting from the right side angle 180 degrees. So the next step is the left side term angle 90 degrees. Subtracting, because of this is 90 is positive, now 90 is negative. This 90 degrees subtracting from right side value angle is 180 degrees is equal to, now only two angles are there, those are angle A, angle C sum. Angle A, angle C sum, nothing but two angle sum is equal. 90 subtracting from 180, answer is 90 degrees. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at a capital B vertex. Right angle at a capital B vertex. Now angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Because of sum of the angle is 180 degree, one of the angle 90 degree, B at B. That 90 subtracting from 180, you will get the 90 degrees. That angle is sum of the remaining two angles A and C. Angle A plus angle C. You know the concept of the acute angle? What is the definition of acute angle? Acute angle nothing but one of the angle is between 0 to 90 degrees. Which angle is 0 to 90 degrees is there, that angle is called acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle nothing but which of the angle is between 0 degree, more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. Simply say that which angle is between 0 to 90. 0 to 90, that angle is acute angle triangle. Now in this session, Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. What you say about angle A? What you say about angle C? These two angles are 90, but separate what is the angle of A. Angle A is always less than 90 and more than 0. Angle C is similarly same concept. Angle C also more than 0, less than 90. For example, come to the point. Angle A is equal to 10 degrees. Angle C is equal to 80 degrees because of angle A, angle C sum always how much? 90 degrees. Angle A plus angle C 10 plus 80 sum is equal to 90 degrees. If in case angle B is equal to 20 degrees, angle C is equal to 70 degrees. This is 30, this is 60, this is 40, this is 50, this is 50, this is 40, this is 15 degree, this is 75 degree, this is 12 degree, this is 78 degree. Are you understood this concept? Now, in this case, each and every angle is acute angle triangle. Each and every angle is acute angle. Acute angle nothing but 0 to 90. Okay? Each and every angle between 0 to 90, that angles are called acute angles. So that in a right angle triangle, capital ABC, right angle at capital B, the remaining two angles, capital A, angle A and angle C are always acute angles. It's clear? Now, in this session, right angle ABC, right angle at capital B, in the triangle ABC, angle A plus angle C 90 degrees. If in case angle A at theta, angle A represented theta, what you say about theta? Theta is the representation of one angle name. The representation of angle name is theta. The theta denoted this letter. Angle A is equal to theta, then what you say about angle C? That is very important. Come to the point. Angle C is equal to 90. Now this theta is added to the left side term. So now the theta is coming from left to right. The theta having the sign is changed from the left to right. That is negative. What you say about now angle C? 90 minus theta. Angle A is equal to theta. Angle C is equal to 90 minus theta in right angle triangle ABC at right angle at capital B. This is very important. Okay. Now in this session, three names are there sides of a triangle. Actually, each and every triangle having three sides. Right angle triangle also three sides. The right angle triangle having three sides name is special names are there. Those names are dependent on two concepts. One is acute angle triangle. The second one is right angle triangle. Now, right angle triangle theta at right angle triangle 90 degrees at a capital B. Listen students, angle B opposite side. What you say about here? Angle B opposite side is AC. Opposite side of angle B. Opposite side of angle B. Angle B opposite side is AC. Angle B opposite side AC. Angle B opposite side AC. That name is hypotenuse. What students? Hypotenuse. What is the definition of hypotenuse here? In a right angle triangle, opposite side of angle right angle is hypotenuse. Once again repeated. What is the hypotenuse concept? In right angle triangle, opposite side of right angle is called hypotenuse. Which angle is right angle? Capital B vertex having the right angle. Right angle nothing but one of the angle is 90 degree. That angle opposite side name hypotenuse. That opposite angle, that opposite side name is hypotenuse. What you say about remaining two sides? Here AB and BC. These two sides names are dependent on acute angle. What is acute angle? Already explained this there. One of the angle is between 0 to 90, that is called acute angle. Now I am taking capital A vertex, angle A is equal to theta. This theta is acute angle. Okay. Now this acute angle is very important in the case that theta opposite side is BC. Capital A vertex having some angle, that angle is theta, the theta is acute angle, the acute angle opposite side name is BC. Angle A opposite capital BC, angle A opposite capital BC. Now the BC name is opposite side. BC name is opposite side. The last side is adjacent side. Which side is called adjacent side? Listen students, in the three sides, two sides are clear. One is hypotenuse, second one is opposite side, the third one is adjacent side. Which side is called adjacent side? Already two sides are clear. One is hypotenuse, another is opposite side. The remaining side name is adjacent side. AB is called adjacent side. How to explain this adjacent side? The adjacent angle, the adjacent side of theta is called adjacent side. Adjacent side of theta is adjacent side. It's clear? Sir, this adjacent side also, AC also is adjacent side now. But this side is dependent on right angle. Because of right angle, opposite side is hypotenuse. So that the first preference of the side is right angle triangle opposite side. After you say that remaining two sides, one is opposite side, another adjacent side. Clear? In a right angle triangle having three sides, these three sides names are dependent on two concepts. These three sides dependent on two concepts. One concept is acute angle, another concept is right angle. These two concepts are actually angles. One of the angle is acute angle, another angle is right angle. Right angle concept right angle concept is useful of the hypotenuse. Acute angle use of the opposite and adjacent sides. Reverse concept is opposite side, adjacent sides depending on acute angle of a triangle, right angle triangle. Hypotenuse side always dependent on right angle triangle in a triangle. Okay, it's clear. Listen students, now I am taking right angle once again on the board. What you say about here, tell me. Capital A, B, C. This is a right angle triangle, right angle at capital B vertex. Now my question is, your acute angle represented now at C. This is theta. This is theta. This theta represented at C. In the first case, theta is represented at capital A. The first case, capital A vertex having the angle is theta. Capital C angle is 90 minus theta. This is 90 minus theta in this case. Okay. Now the second session, right angle triangle ABC, same concept, but capital A vertex, I am not taking theta. Capital C vertex having the theta, that is acute angle. Angle A also acute angle, but representation of the angle C is here theta. Now what you say about here, right angle, hypotenuse, opposite and adjacent. Right angle at capital B, so that hypotenuse is opposite side of the opposite angle of 90 degrees is called hypotenuse. This is no tension. Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse concept is dependent on right angle. In the case ABC, in the case of ABC right angle at a B. Right angle opposite side is hypotenuse. It's clear. Now the remaining two sides are dependent on not right angle. Those concepts are dependent on acute angle. Acute angle theta is representation, in this case capital C vertex, angle C is equal to theta. Now opposite side of angle C is AB. This theta opposite side AB. Theta opposite side AB. So that AB is called opposite side. The adjacent side of theta is called BC. Sir, adjacent side of theta is AC also, but AC is already declared, that is called hypotenuse. Why are not taking BC as a hypotenuse? Hypotenuse value always dependent on right angle. Opposite angle of 90 degree side is called hypotenuse. So that now BC is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. It's clear, students? Now what is the variation of these two concepts? This is a right angle triangle ABC. This is also ABC. Right angle at 90 degrees at B. Right angle triangle 90 degrees at B. Here capital A vertex having the angle is theta. In this case, capital C vertex having the angle is theta. So that opposite sides, adjacent sides are change of these two triangles. This is very most important of right angle triangle at any concept. Okay, you can take this is ABC, not you can take this is PQR. Q is right angle, P and R are acute angles. Okay, now this is very important concept of the right angle triangle. One more thing I explained that concept is next session. That name is Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem is most important, and those concept gives six formulas are there. That concept is also a right angle triangle. Okay, that one is dependent on hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. Okay, this three combination formula will become the next session. Thank you very much. Bye.